Okay, so now in this video we are going to talk about movements and navigation of an object. Now as you guys can see, I have created this cube over here. Procedure is easy, simply go over here and simply click on it. And now suppose if I want to move, all I can do over here is I can select this and I can move like this also. But this is not a proper way to move any object in 3D software, so I'll hit Ctrl Z. Now let's look at some tools over here. First tool is live selection tool. With the help of that, you can select any tool in your canvas. Like this, I have selected this. Then after that, you will get this move tool. With the help of, whenever you are going to select this tool, you will get this kind of arrows which are pointing toward their particular axis. Like red one is for X, Z1 is in blue color, and Y1 is in green color. And with the help of these arrows, you can move this object properly on their particular axis. Even if you go to the any orthographic view, you can adjust your positioning with the help of this arrows like this. Then we will get this option called scale tool. From the name itself, it will scale your object. Like as you guys can see, it will scale like this and this. And if you see this thing in your object properties, as you guys can see, the scale is 228. If you decrease it, as you guys can see, this is scaling. But if you see properly over here, the scale is equally at every point. Like if you see in size, we will get this coordinates like this. With the help of that, you can decrease the size only on this axis. But if you scale it with the help of the scale tool, they are scaling equally from each and every one, because right now this is parametric objects. If you want to scale on individual axis, your object should be in a editable format, which we are going to talk about in my further video. Not right now, but right now you need to understand that this, with the help of this tool, you can scale it somewhere around like this. Then you will get this option called rotation tool. With the help of that, obviously you can rotate each and every one on their individual axis. So I'll hit Ctrl Z like this. So shortcut key for move tool is E, then R is for rotation tool, and T is for scaling tool like this. Okay, now press E on your keyboard, so you can see we will get this movement for this cube. Now suppose if I want to move this over here, whenever I'm going to touch, as you guys can see, we will get the reading of their position also. Like it's increasing. Right now it's 19.859 centimeter on x-axis. And if you see, select this object, and if you see in coordinates, you will get this thing that, as you guys can see, this thing is also increasing. Now suppose if I want to move this object 10 units forward, so what I'm gonna do over here, first I'll select this, then I'll press shift on my keyboard, and then I'll move this. So as you guys can see, this thing is increasing with the help of 10 units like this. So that's the use of shift tool. So you can move this thing 10 units forward like this. And this thing follows on each and every individual. Like if you want to move it on Y, simply select this arrow and then hold shift and move it towards the direction up to 10 centimeters. Okay, and same thing for rotation tool also. If you press R and if you want to increase the rotation with the help of 10 units, simply press shift and rotate. As you guys can see, we can do that with the 10 units. And same thing follows for T also. With the help of T, you can enable your scaling tool. Select this, press shift, and you can increase and decrease with the help of 10 units. So yep, this is how you can navigate your objects and move them wherever you want, like this.